Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I want to show you something I purchased about 1.5 months ago. It's the Goyard Saigon mini bag. This is the old version. I know this year, starting September, they started a new version of the mini Saigon. It has two wood strip in the front, and it will be more structured than this one. The good thing about this one is that it actually fits more than the other one because it's soft and you can put more stuff in, versus the other one is more structured. You cannot fit too much stuff in, but overall, thinking about this is a mini bag, this one does hold a lot more than what you think about it. So how big is it? First of all, this is my hand. This is how big it is. It is very very small bag, but it actually surprisingly fits a lot. So first of all, I want to show you how it looks like on every side. So this is the top front side. It has a wooden handle, and then this is the Goyard print, and it has a barcode, and then this is the side view. This is the back. Does not have any pocket in the back. Has the Goyard print. So the Goyard print side, this is the other side. So the Goyard print is the canvas, and the other part is the leather. So what it looks like inside. So once we unbuckled, it has the signature Goyard yellow inside, and this is the strap. Okay, I'll show you the strap later on. So it has one compartment, the other ones is just like so. So the next, I'm gonna tell you the measurements using the measurement tape here. So what is the length of this bag? So let me show you the length of this bag. So this is inches. So this is about 8 inch, as you can see. This is about 8 inches length. Okay, so on the side, the width, it is about 3.5 inches width, and the height. So this will be the height, will be about 5-inch height, and on the handle part, this will be the height of the handle. Sorry, that's the centimeter. The inches side, it's about 3 inches, as you can see. So the handles, if we can do it like this way, we can just put it this way. So this is the basic, what it looks like, the dimensions of the bag. So now let's talk about what can fit inside. So let's open it up. I have a few of my recent used SLGs issues. So I have the Hermes Compact Bond wallet. So I can put like this. So this is how much it can be fit. And I also have a mini pochette. So inside the mini pochette, I have my car keys, and I have my makeups, and I have my makeups, meanings lipsticks, and small hand lotions, and all those small stuff like miscellaneous items that you can put in. I personally do not carry a key holder because I don't use my house key. I only use my car to get into my garage, to get into my house. So surprisingly, it fits perfectly the mini pochette. So that counts a lot. And then I have, so on the side you can put your house key or car key on the side, but for my cases I already put it in my mini pochette. So it has a lot, and definitely I have sunglasses. I don't think that will fit. It won't fit inside of this. But what you can do is you can take this out. This is my camera workers, by the way. So you put it on top, it can fit perfectly. So this is more than essential. So I didn't use a card holder or anything smaller. I used the compact wallet and a mini pochette. So this is how much it can be fits inside it. And the good thing about this bag is it's compact, but it fits a lot, and then it's very, very light. If you have a chance in the Goyard store, I highly recommend you to try it on, because if you don't hold it, you don't know how light it is. Just like the St. Louis's bag, I think the biggest advantage is about the weight. Okay, so this is the shoulder strap. Let me show you how do you put it on and how long it is and what it looks like on me. So this is how we put it on. Okay, so this shoulder strap has two lengths, so you can put the longest one, you can put it on these two on the edges. So this is how long it is. So let me show you how long it is. Okay, this is from the top, okay, to the bottom. So it's about 22, it's about 22 inches long. So if we put it on my shoulder, it's gonna be like so. So it's gonna be under my hip. So usually the longest one, I will do it crossbody. By the way, I am 5'2", 5 inches too. So almost 160 centimeter, less than, it's probably 158, something like that. So I usually will just do it like on my side, crossbody. So it's a good way to do crossbody. And also, I will show you, you can also put it on the shoulder strap. So it has a shoulder strap, you can put it on this, and then you can put the other two holes. So the funny thing about this thing is that I asked the sales associate, so if you put it this way, the shorter way, I found out I cannot make those two strap on the same length. I thought it's a defect, but it is actually not. So if I put those two on the top, it cannot be coming to the same length, which means you have to wear it like this, which is a good thing. I don't think it's a bad thing. It does not bothers me too much, because actually instead of one single strap, it's gonna be very stitching to the shoulder. So if you do it this way, it does not. So it's gonna be like this. So it's right on your hip. I think it's the right length for single shoulder. So but I found something really funny is that if you don't put this on the top, there actually can be a single. It can be the same length, and it can works really well if you move it on the side. So if you really that bothers you, you can just do it this way, then it will come into one strap. So let me measure how long it is for the single strap, single shoulder. So this is this way. So the other one, the longer one, is about 22 inches. This one is gonna be about 18 inches on the length. So if you do it the shorter version, so it's about 18. So overall, I think it's a very versatile ones. I really like this bag. This is a black one, and you have black with tan with the classic one. I purchased in the United States boutique. It retails for $2,650 2 months ago. So I never heard a price increase. If it does, then please update it on the comments below. I purchased this in September 2019. It retails for $2,650 plus tax. Okay, if you have any questions, please comment down below. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you guys in my next video. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.